In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows was unable to complete the format. First, we need to open up CMD or command prompt, and to do that, you can simply just click on the start menu and search up CMD, then press enter. So here we're just gonna type in some commands starting with disk part. Make sure that you type in the exact words and letters as you see on the screen. And from here, simply press enter, press yes to grant any permissions. Now in this new window, start typing list disk, then press enter. Next is type in select disk and add in the number that you see in here. So in my case, it's disk 0. Then press enter. Next from here, we're just gonna type in list partition. Then once again, press enter. So here you will be shown different partition with numbers. So just choose from the list and type in select partition with the number of the partition options. So say for example, we're going to pick partition 3. So type in 3, then press enter. Now lastly, we're going to type in this code, which is format fs equals NTFS. Then from here, press enter. Now, if it starts processing, all you have to do is wait for it to finish. And if it's still not working, make sure that you check if the drive is right protected. And if it's a USB or SD card, look for any physical lock switch. The last option may be the drive is just damaged or corrupted. All you have to do is try another USB port or computer or simply replace the drive. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!